What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing salmon today. Salmon. And we gonna fry it in some butter, y'all. Gonna hit it with some rub. Seasoning up real good. It's gonna be so tasty. But anyway, you know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So of course, you know we got a rain on. Gotta hit it with that salt. Now we're gonna hit it with this salt on the skin side and let it sit for about 30 minutes before we do anything else. That way our skin will be crispy, y'all. Crispy. I love a good crispy salmon skin with my salmon. So now we're gonna use our brown sugar rub. It's a pretty good rub, y'all. Try it if you see it in the store. It's real tasty. But anyway, let's give our salmon a flip, because we're not gonna use our rub on that side. We're just gonna use our rub on the flesh side. And we're gonna get that rub on, and we're gonna rub it in really well. Oh yeah, my mouth already ready for this, y'all. So in our pan, we have 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, just to bring that heat point up. And we're gonna give that a quick little mix to get that oil all over the pan before we dip our salmon in. And let's get our salmon in. Skin side down, y'all. Skin side down. So once our salmon set in the pan for about a minute, I like to tilt that pan over and start basting it in that butter. Oh yeah, y'all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all. That's gonna make that salmon so good. Sure it is. But anyway, once we can get that pan to shake like that, that means that skin didn't release from the bottom of that pan. So it's time to give it a flippy flip, y'all. Flip that salmon. Time to get it on that meat side, y'all, that flesh side. Oh yeah, and look at that skin, y'all. That skin sure look good. Now after we give it a flippy flip, I'm gonna go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of honey. And that's just gonna impart more flavor into that salmon. Make it all sticky and good. And make a nice little sauce to pour over top when it's all said and done. So now let's just give that a mixy mix. And we're gonna let it cook on this side for about another 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how done you like your salmon. And then let's plate up, y'all. So I have mine with some peas and rice. And listen to that crunch, y'all. That skin crunchy, y'all. Get a bite of this salmon. Oh yeah, so tasty, y'all. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.